My name is Susan Branham, and I work for Tallahassee Memorial HealthCare. I'm the nurse manager of the operating room. I did the 2-year route for nursing school. I was older and needed to get through school as quickly as possible. While I was in nursing school, they trained me to be a surgical tech. So when I came out of school, I got a job right off in the operating room. Not only everybody locally is short surgical techs, but also nationwide. The great thing about healthcare is you can take your job and go anywhere in the country, but in our local area, there's still a large need for surgical techs. Our surgical techs, they start out once they pass their certification exam, they make $23.76 an hour. There's a lot of opportunity because healthcare is an ever-growing field. It's great that you can pick it up and move it because when you're young, you never know where you're going to really wind up in life, but healthcare is universal. There's some longevity.